Tax season is here, and for those of you who haven't yet filed, or for those of you who aren't quite done with yours, returns aren't due until April 18th, and there may be some benefits you don't know specifically about if you have little ones.
Nick Robbie was in the studio to find out more.
We're here in studio now with Tom Broderick with Northland Free Tax Assistance, and of course, it is tax season. Tax day is coming up, and if folks haven't already done their taxes, they're going to need to do their taxes. And one thing that a lot of money ends up being left on the table sometimes has to do with the Earned Income Tax Credit, or the EIC. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Nick, that's a very important credit. There's probably millions of dollars left on the table by IRS estimates in our county alone, that people who should claim it but don't. And it's generally for families with children. The credit is largest for families making between $10,000 and $20,000. The children have to have a certain relationship with you. They have to live with you, and you have to have earned income. And if you meet all those categories, then you qualify. You most likely qualify for this credit. But qualifying is there's a 26-page book that tells you whether you qualify. If you just come in and talk to a tax preparer, they can figure it out right away.
So if you are in the midst of doing your taxes or planning to do them very soon, this is something, if you have kids or other dependents, you live in the same household, you're earning income, then you could very likely be applicable to this.
Absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks so much for being here. Keep an eye out for the Earned Income Tax Credit, and we'll have more tax tips later on this season.